This is Mankinim Gang is speaking, and as we've been saying, we are in KwaDukuza, and we're very honored to be joined by Her Worship, the Mayor, Councillor Lindile Nyaka, who's going to be talking to us about the project, which is being launched namhlanje endaweni yakanyatsikazi nasendaweni yakhona la esi-based khona usukuna namhlanje in Mkikibe. We are at Mkikibe Sports Field. Mayor, very good afternoon to you and welcome to Vuma FM at the Sun.
Thank you for having me, and I'd like to greet the listeners at home.
Mayor, when I started speaking earlier on in Ngikhuluma ngokuthi, this is a life-changing launch or event, because people could take it lightly, but this will mean somebody's going to get a new home, new place to stay, where they will stay more now with their families. It's a life-changing thing indeed.
Yeah, it is a life-changing thing, and I'm happy that today we're gathered here at Mkikimbe for the Mkikimbe housing project launch. This is the 99 million rands project. In fact, it's close to 100 million rands. It is coming with 354 units. So it's going to be a big project, and the people of Mkikimbe, I know they are happy. So this project was approved by the MEC in February this year, and I think it started on the very same month in February. So it's going to take about 2 years. I think the completion date it's February 2026, and it's coming with job opportunities for the people of Ward 9, more especially the people who are coming from Mkikimbe, and then subcontractors again are also going to benefit out of this project.
So speaking with the MEC earlier on, khona i-point esikhulume ngalo, but sangale exhausta i-beneficiation plan ukuthi abantu bazothola izindlu, because it normally confuses a lot of people ukuthi will I as umuntu wasemgigimbe benefit or will I see mhlawumbe umuntu uqhamuka mhlawumbe emandeni or kwamaphumulo benefiting under this project. Mhlawumbe on your side, who will be the beneficiaries of this particular project?
Okay, we did not exhaust that point with MEC. Beneficiaries of this project are the people of Mkikimbe.
Okay.
Mhlawumbe uma ukuthi ke mhlawumbe kugcina inumber mhlawumbe mhlawumbe singabheka but from Ward 9. The project yabantu bala elento Ward 9, but kakhulu it's for the people who are coming from Mkikimbe.
We're currently at Mkikimbe Sports Field. Mhlawumbe khona umuntu la olalele ozibuzayo ukuthi location yala izobikiphi yale project. Where is it going to be from here?
Ngibona nje uhamba kancane nje la sike safika la ngesikhathi kuzofakwa ama services ikhona khona la ikhona khona la ukuthi kuphela ke njengoba sila egrounding njengamanje asikwazi ukuthi sibone la kade kufakwa khona izinto ezifana nemigwaqo noma nenye mhlambe inqala sizinda. I-access to ama-public services ikanjani? Sikhona iy'kole around the place, ma-clinic nezinto ey'fana lezo? Sikhona isikole around la kuthiwa Mkikimbe primary school. Umuntu unakho kube avakashele iy'kole, so siyazi isikole la khona isikole futhi esiseduzane kwala before ufike la kuthiwa ilungisele primary school ngiyacanga ndlulile ngakusona iclinic ke ekhona eGroundville clinic yona ke ilapha Ward 10 but iclinic eseduzane nomgwaqo.
Maya, before sikudedele namhlanje umbuzo omogcina ukuthi siyabona uhulumeni kuningi sekwenzela abantu, ngabe kuyaphela la noma khona amanye ama-plan akhona aqhamuka from Human Settlements, Public Works, and kakhulukazi njengoba umenje wakaDukuza, ngabe sikhona izinhlelo onazo and the pipeline ukuthuthukisa impilo zabantu bakule ndawo?
Ngakusho nje ukuthi maningi ama projects esinawo ngokwakaDukuza, khona la esike sanenkinga khona ama projects ablockwayo, kodwa lawo ama projects ngaqinisekisa nje umphakathi ukuthi amanye awo ayaqhubeka njengoba sikhuluma lokho zamanye yiwo lawo esithi namhlanje sizolento siyawalontsha for abantu nje abantu bala eMgigimbi ngoba ngeke ngakuveza ukuthi le project sinesikhathi esithi sineminyaka eminingi kade kulokho kungenzeki ngenxa yeinkinga ebezikhona. Sayiqinisekisa nje imphakathi enama housing projects ukuthi sizolokhu siza nje kodwa esikulindele kakhulu ukuthi ngomhla 29 siphinde sinikezwe ithuba ngolwesithathu siyakudinga lokho ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siqhubekele lama projects. Siyadinga ukuthi abantu bavote ngendlela ecorrect, bavotele uhulumeni okuyibona obalethele lentuthuko esiyibonayo esikhuluma ngayo. Lokho kuyokwenzeka uma ukuthi ngomhla ka 29 abantu bakaDukuza basiphindisela esihulumeni kaKhongolose phela umuntu akayihlalele nje kulesi sihlalo wafa kwa abantu ngokwenhlangano kaKhongolose ukuthi abe umeya. Siyakudinga ke yes amaphutha esinawo alikho isoke lingenasici khona lesingenzi khona kahle kufanele nje mhlawumbe siqale lapho si-admit ukuthi yes siyawenza amaphutha noma kukhona okunye okuningi okuhle esikwenzayo kodwa sacela imphakathi ingabambeleli kakhulu into engamaphutha asingavuthi ukuthi sicorrect la singenzi khona kahle ngoba kubalekile kakhulu kuthina ukuthi sayibophezela ukuthi sizosebenzela abantu. So siyacela ukuthi siphiwe lamavoti umphakathi ngomhla ka 29 sibuye isifundazwe sakaZulu Natal sibuye futhi nakuhulumeni kazwelonke sibe inhlangano futhi ezoqhubeka iphathi siqhubeke nokudeliver silungise nala esingenzi khona kahle.
Mayor, siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho namhlanje.
Ngiyabonga.
Thank you very much.